Types of chromosomes based on the centromere. One is telocentric chromosome, acrocentric chromosome, submetacentric chromosome, metacentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosome look like a small eye structure, it containing only one centromere and large arm. An acrocentric chromosome containing only one centromere and two unequal arms. It is also look like a small eye-like structure. One is small in size, one arm is small in size, one arm is large in size. And submetacentric chromosome. The submetacentric chromosome also containing one centromere and two unequal arms. The two unequal arms are arranged in a capital L in shape. And metacentric chromosome containing one centromere and two equal arms. They look like a capital V in structure. These structures, small I, capital L, capital V, these structures are clearly visible in the metaphase of cell division. And the next one, types of chromosomes based on the centromere. Types of chromosomes based on the centromere. Based on the presence of centromere, chromosomes are following types. They are acentric chromosomes, monocentric chromosomes, bi or dicentric chromosomes, or polycentric chromosome. Acentric chromosome, it is the first one. Monocentric chromosome, second one. Bi or dicentric chromosome, third one. Polycentric chromosome, fourth one. These four types of chromosomes based on the presence of centromere only. Here it is acentric chromosome, it containing only one arm. There is no centromere. So these chromosomes are called acentric chromosomes. Centromere is absent in the acentric chromosomes. Monocentric chromosomes. Monocentric means mono, means single. Single centromere present on this chromosome. So we called monocentric chromosomes. Di or bicentric chromosomes. Two centromeres are present on the chromosomes, called di or bicentric chromosomes. Polycentric chromosomes. More than two centromeres are present in the chromosome, called polycentric chromosomes. These are the types of chromosomes based on the presence of centromere. Now next important topic is karyotype. Karyotype is chromosome structures are arranged in a diagrammatically. Chromosome structures are arranged in a diagrammatically is called karyotype. In karyotype, the chromosome structure explained with diagram called ideogram. Chromosome structure arranged in the diagrammatically called karyotype. That karyotypes are explained with diagram is called ideogram. Karyotype, ideogram. In some plants, all chromosomes are similar in size. They are called symmetric chromosome. Example, pinus. See children, all chromosomes are similar in structure, similar in size. So these chromosomes are called symmetric chromosomes. The next one, asymmetric chromosomes. In some plants, all chromosomes are in different size. These are called acentric chromosomes. Example, ginkgo biloba plant. Asymmetric chromosomes are arranged in a systematic position with help of ideogram. And with the help of ideogram, large size chromosomes are arranged at the first place and the small size chromosomes are arranged at the last place. Is called karyotype. Karyotype means chromosomes are arranged in a diagrammatically called karyotype. That chromosomes are explained, that karyotype explained with diagram is called ideogram. Based on the ideogram, the chromosomes are two types. One is symmetric chromosomes. Symmetric chromosomes means all chromosomes are similar in size and similar in structure. Example, pinus. Asymmetric chromosomes is ginkgo biloba. Some chromosomes are large in size, some chromosomes are small in size. Large chromosomes are arranged at the initial place and small size chromosomes are arranged at the last place of the ideogram. So these are the special types of chromosomes